What are prepositions and how do we use them? Stay tuned for this next video. There are three kinds of prepositions. We have prepositions of time, prepositions of place, and prepositions of direction. Prepositions of time help to describe times of day, meal times, months, seasons, and we also can use them to describe dates and parts of a specific day. Here are some examples of prepositions of time. Times of day. At 7 o'clock. At noon. At midnight. We can also talk about months. In April. In September. Talking about the seasons. In the summer. And talking about dates. On the 15th of July. On the 9th of December. And the last one, prepositions of place. Prepositions of place helps to describe where something is. In, on, and at. Here are some examples of prepositions of place. First word, in. In a car. In a boat. In a traffic jam. Another word, on. On a plane. On the internet. On the floor. And another example, the word at. At the door. At the bus stop. At the entrance. Okay, I hope this helped you understand how to use prepositions just a little bit more. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you again in the next video.